What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we have the Tomei Expreme TI Catback exhaust fully installed on the 2018 STI. So I'm going to do a cold start for you. That way you can hear the sound of the exhaust, and then after a few minutes I'm going to do 3 revs for you guys, so that way you can kind of hear how it sounds under load. It's going to be roughly between like 2,500 to 3,000 RPM. Not going to get too crazy. I'm kind of just, give you an idea of the sound sampling if you're, just, out there on the road daily driving. So let's do this. Alright guys, now that we've been having that running for a couple minutes now, I'm going to go ahead with those revs for you. Again, I'm going to try to keep it at around 2,500 to 3,000 RPMs. Alright guys, so that's how the revs sound on the 2018 STI with the Tomei Expreme TI Catback exhaust. If you haven't checked it out before, I do have a video up of the stock exhaust. And again, the only thing that's been changed on this car so far is that catback exhaust. So if you're coming from stock to this new exhaust, this is what it's going to sound like. What you might not be able to tell on the camera, we got actually a cruise going on right now, so people are prepping for it. It's tomorrow, but people are already coming in tonight trying to get ready. But what you can't hear probably on the camera, or maybe you can, but if you can't, the differences are the tone is a lot deeper. The exhaust sounds absolutely like I hoped for. It is more aggressive, but in my opinion, it's not overbearing. You're going to be able to definitely hear it in the cabin now as compared to stock. You couldn't really hear it. Surprisingly, the idle for this thing is a lot lower of a tone, barely noticeable at all compared to stock. I did have droning while low RPM and also on the freeway. This one you don't, but you do get that aggressive tone, and it definitely kicks in while you're revving up and just accelerating and hitting your target speed and shifting, so you're going to hear it. On the downshift, you get a little bit of throatiness to it, but it's cuts back on the aggressiveness. So if you're worried about an exhaust waking up your neighbors, you shouldn't have a problem with this one, considering that you don't have a downpipe. If you upgrade your downpipe, this is definitely going to be something that your neighbors might not enjoy. Maybe they will if they like really loud cars, but for stock, it's great. Definitely lived up to my expectations and more, so definitely check the Tomei out if you're interested in getting an upgraded exhaust that has a little bit more of an aggressive tone and definitely unlocks that boxer rumble. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.